She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't.
Hey favorites, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ike. For those who are new here, I'm here today with a brand new tutorial showing you how to make that gorgeous hairstyle, that natural hair. So if you're interested in this, do keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
So much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another.
So my hair was already clean. I decided to take out the thread I used in stretching my hair. So what you want to do right now is to take out the parts that would be in front. Okay, it's kind of like a frontal something. The front should be your hair. Aside from that, every other part is going to be weaved to the back. Now the cool thing about this hairstyle is your cornrow must not be so neat. Honestly, this was one of the worst all back I've ever done on myself because I wasn't just understanding, but the fact that it's a crochet hairstyle, no one cares how the bottom is. Now this is me creating the side part. You want to bring out a part by the side, but if you want it to be a middle part, you can also make yours to be at the middle. As for me, I knew side part was my thing. Side part looks so good on me, so I decided to make mine side part. So due to the fact I've not tried this style before, I went ahead to bring out a part by the side and at the back. My initial plan was to do a crochet that I can pack up and then my hair would be at the back. I don't know if you understand, like giving it a high puff kind of vibe, but I ended up not using the back. Honestly, I ended up not doing this. So don't just waste your time like I did. Cornrow the back because you're going to be crocheting on that too. So after doing that, you go ahead and start parting it, section by section, and then you cornrow to the back. Remember, it doesn't have to be smooth. Mine was not smooth. I didn't part it well. I didn't use an extra mirror. Anyhow you part it is okay. If you're still watching, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I do hair tutorials on this channel. I show you how to do easy DIYs like this. So do subscribe to the channel to be part of this family.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs.
So for the front, just cornrow the way I'm doing from the side to the back. Of course, we know the situation of heat in this country, and like I was sweating due to the light in front of me. I think it took me 3 to 4 hours to do this hairstyle, every single thing, the cornrow and then the crochet. I also know some people would ask me how long this hair is going to last. I carried this hair for 1 week before I took it out and it was still looking new. It was still looking nice. All you have to do is tie your hair while sleeping, wake up, use your hand and arrange your hair, and then you are good to go. So if you maintain your hair right, you can carry it for 2 weeks. But just know that this is a temporal hairstyle. It's not something you can carry for up to a month because the front is your natural hair. Remember that. Next up, I'm crocheting the kinky to my hair. I would have used black, but I had brown, so I decided to use brown. And trust me, this was one of the best decisions I have made because I loved the brown. It was so nice and it made it look like an ombre effect, like the roots was black, the hair was brown. It was so nice.
In the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when she wanted. I can never.
So I want to believe you know how to crochet. It's very simple. Just pass your crochet pin into your cornrow, that's into the hair you weaved, and then put your kinky inside, close it, then pull it through. Now pass the long part into the loop. It's as simple as that.
So please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Please don't stay the night. What's right? Don't make me ask you twice.
I don't know how many packs you'll be using or how many packs your hair would demand, but make sure you're spacing out if you don't have a lot. But if you have enough, just make sure you don't space out too much. Just crochet as much as you can and everything is going to turn out nice. Try your best to crochet the front to be close to your hair. This part is necessary, it's actually important. I'm going to tell you why shortly. What you want to do is to section your kinky and twist it. Make sure you're stretching it while twisting.
I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close.
So the essence of this is, instead of it being too short, it stretches your hair and makes it look a bit more natural. You get me? The point is, follow the process. It worked for me, so I believe it's going to work for you too. I went ahead to finish the rest off camera. This is what it's looking like. It was looking crazy and I was like, are you sure I'm doing the right thing? But anyhow, yeah, it worked out. I'm taking out the twist. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting off the excess under. It's going to make it easier for you to lose. Now lose it and then just fluff it out with your hands, okay? If after doing that, you can choose to brush your kinky if you want, but I didn't brush mine. I just used my hand to separate them.
She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when she wanted. I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now.
So at this point, everything was coming together and I was already feeling the hair. Although I felt like it was too big, but I said, let me trust the process. Now, this part is necessary. You need to trim off excess, okay? You're going to see the part to trim. And if you want your hair to be a bit more, shorter, you can go ahead and shorten it. But I didn't want mine to be too short. I just trimmed off a bit from the tip and that was it. So what we're doing right now is we're trying to merge our natural hair with the brown one. It's a bit tricky, but it's very simple. Just comb out your hair and go ahead and part your hair. So I wanted a C-part curve. Okay, C-part, you can part it straight, but I wanted a C curve and that was exactly what I was doing. So this part is also important. Get an edge control to clean your part. It makes the lines straight and smooth.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close.
So this is the part I said was tricky. You just use your hand to merge it with your hair. There's no extra job. Use your hands and merge it and you're good to go. It's as simple as this. Just keep playing around with it. Next up, for the front, I decided to use edge control and a little bit of black gel to smoothen the front and to slay the front. So the next thing we're doing, we're giving a little swoop on your hair. Okay, so I didn't like this type I did. I went ahead to change it up later, but that's it about this hair. Very simple to make. It's so classy, so gorgeous. I don't regret doing this style. So let me go ahead and touch up my face. And boom, I really love this style. Like, I felt like I would carry this for only one day or two, but I saw myself carrying this for 1 week. Like, I refused to take it down because it's looking so beautiful. I went out, I got lots of compliments. Some people thought it was my natural hair. Like, how would you think that? I got compliments that the color suits my skin, different things. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.
Never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now. But